What is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be breaking down the 5 money traps that you want to avoid in your teens and 20s. Please avoid making these 5 dumb money moves when you're young. If you want to set yourself up for success, build wealth in the future, please watch this video so you do not make these mistakes. Let's get it. So guys, first off, I want to say congratulations for tuning into this video. Excited to share this with you guys today because you are looking to take the right steps to grow your knowledge, to change your future, and to build some wealth in your life. So guys, the reason I wanted to make this video is because personally for me, I've been down the path of making the wrong decisions with my money. Looking back, I wish I never did these things with my money, as well as listened to certain people that told me that this was the right thing to do with my money. Now I wanted to reflect as well as teach you guys on the things that we can do with our money in our teens and 20s to set ourselves up for the future. The truth is that everything that we do today, every decision that we make, every opportunity that we take on today will be a reflection of our future. So if we could take the right actions, avoid the wrong things in life, we are going to set ourselves up to grow wealth, to be successful in life, and that's exactly what this video is going to teach us to do. So the first dumb decision that you can do with your money in your teens, or this money trap that's going to continue to hold you back, is to deny the debt that you have. The truth is, debt is a very powerful tool, and it is not a good tool to have in your life. The truth is, the longer you continue to dig that debt, the more debt that you get into, you're holding back or creating limited options because you are now chasing money. Chasing money is something that we do not want to do, or a trap that's going to allow us to fall into opportunities, careers, or decisions that are not going to make us happy in life. Now, the truth is, society tells us that in order to be successful, to build something for ourselves, that we have to take on debt in order to get ahead of the 8 ball or to be successful, whether that's with the college decision or going into a new car loan because we want to show people that we are successful with our life. This is something that you want to avoid at all costs. If you have to drive a beat up car, drive the beat up car. If you can go to community college to avoid debt, go to community college. There are multiple things that we can do to avoid debt, and if we don't have debt in our life, we are able to become more powerful and more focused on our financial future. And most importantly, if you have debt, it is okay, but please do not make the decision to deny the debt that you have. If you have debt, come up with a strategy to pay off that debt. Do not look at that debt that you have. Understand exactly how much debt you're in, what your current processes or ways to pay off this debt, and do not continue to push it further and further back. If you have debt in your teens, your 20s, it is going to continue to go with you your whole life. College loans cannot be forgiven, as well as debt is going to hold you back from a lot of opportunities. So please, please, please do not make the mistake of denying or disregarding your debt, or telling yourself that you're going to continue to go in debt, that one day you're going to get this career that's going to pay off the debt and you're going to be all good in life. That's not typically how life works. Come up with a strategy, be resourceful, and don't let debt dig you deeper and deeper in a hole. And this debt will contribute to stress, anxiety, fear, and not allow you to shoot for the goals that you want to achieve in life. Secondly, a really dumb thing that you can do with your money that's going to hold you back in your 20s and 30s, all from your decisions now, is to not start investing. Now, investing is very important. Investing comes in many different shapes and sizes, but when you're young, you want to invest in yourself. You want to invest in a business or some type of side hustle that's going to produce you income, or you can invest in established vehicles that are going to help create generational wealth for yourself. In this case, the stock market. Some of my friends, so many young people are not educated about the stock market or are not educated about investing. The truth is, with investing, everyone says it, but no one does it, is that we all want to put our money to work or make our money make more money. But the truth is, it takes action to make this happen. And a lot of people don't have the opportunity to invest. It's because the way that they're living. The truth is, society tells us, and a lot of us are making this mistake, is that we get a job, we get this paycheck, and with this paycheck, we have money. Now, what we do with this money is very important, which is going to hold us back from investing if we live this way. With that paycheck, we pay off our bills, we pay off the things that we owe and the debt that we have. Secondly, with a little bit of money left over that we have after we paid our bills, we buy more liabilities. And these liabilities contribute to our bills, and then overall at the end of the day we have no money to save, or we have a little bit of money left over to save for ourselves, to put in our savings account in case of an emergency. But the truth is, we don't have money to invest in the stock market, invest in a business, to go on offense. And that is what's going to hold us back from investing. So when you're young, use this opportunity to start investing. Put your money to work. Use time as the biggest component of your success. With compounding interest, with your future ahead of you, put your money to work. Let it grow over time. Let it continue to scale, and you're going to create opportunities with your money that you would not have if you didn't take the risk or take the opportunity in investing in the stock market or investing it in a vehicle that's going to make you more money. So take the risk when you're young. You have nothing to lose. Go out there and start growing your wealth at a young age, and you will not regret it in your 20s and 30s. Third, similar to not investing your money, this goes hand in hand with something that you want to avoid, and that is to play it safe with your money. No matter where you are, playing it safe never usually comes with typically the best results. You've ever heard the saying, no risk, no reward? Well, that's what a lot of us are doing with our money and our dollars, which is going to hold us back from our potential and making a lot of money in the future. And typically, most of us are playing it safe in this case. They're putting your money, or you're putting all your money into a savings account. But the truth is, people don't understand that putting your money in a savings account is great, but it's really not building your wealth or building your future. If you're not taking risks with your money, you are not going to create any growth or traction. Because if you're putting your money in a savings account, is not net positive. You are actually losing money in a savings account. Because let's say you're making less than 1% interest on your money in a savings account. Inflation is typically around 2% annually. This means you are losing around 1% on every dollar that you have in your savings account. So why would we continue to put our money into that account? And this is because people like safety and security. They like knowing or feeling good or filling their egos with how much money they have in their bank account. But the truth is, this is not a wise decision that we want to make with our money. It is so important that when you're young, and then when you're developing or trying to increase how much money you have or trying to grow your wealth, that you have an abundance mindset. What holds us back in life is not having this abundance mindset, playing it safe, doing the easy things in life, and not taking the risks when the risks are right in front of our face. If you want to really grow wealth, if you want to have the opportunity to build this life of financial freedom, you cannot play it safe. You cannot do what other people are doing, and you cannot put your money in a vehicle that's going to make you lose money. The fourth money trap to avoid, or bad money move to make in your teens and 20s, is to spend money on things that are not going to help you. I see so many young people, so many people, my friends, are making these wrong decisions with their money because they are wasting money on drinks, nicotine products, gambling. This stuff will hold you back in the future. The problem is they're thinking about the present moment. They're thinking about how to fix themselves right now, or how to get rich right now, or to feel good, or to escape the present right now, because they're avoiding what they want in their future. Now, if you can have this long-term mindset, if you can think about, hey, I'm not going to waste my money on these things. I can have fun, but I'm not going to spend all my dollars into these items, because not only are they hurting my dollars, they are also hurting my health. Everything that you do is a reflection of what you want to achieve. So please keep this in mind, because those same people that say they don't have $1,000 to invest in a business, or those same people that say that they don't have $1,000 to invest in the stock market, are the same people that would rather go out to the club, spend $500 a weekend, going out partying, buying things that they shouldn't, and they are saying that they're broke. So if that's what you want to do, is to go broke, not think about your future, take the short term and don't think about the long term. But if you want to really build something for yourself, set some priorities, set some goals, learn about what you want to do and what you want to achieve. The truth is, if you know what you want to build, or if you have a goal of how much money you want to have saved, or if you want to start this business, then every decision that you make right now is either going to be something that's going to help you get there or help you not get there. If you have this clear mindset, you will say maybe no to going out with your friends, or maybe you'll say no to going to the casino, or wasting your money on handbags, or trying to buy things to impress people. These right here are money traps that you just don't want to fall into. This can lead to a life that is unfulfilled, undesirable, because you are chasing the short-term fix. You are chasing, how can I show people I'm successful? Meanwhile, you're broke. How can I look like I'm crushing it at life? Meanwhile, you have no money. And so many people continue to fall into this trap to try to impress people, to buy things, and they're wasting the dollars that they're putting into these bad habits, these bad things, to fix themselves, but meanwhile it's hurting themselves, and it's going to continue to leave them broke in their 20s and 30s. And this is going to lead to a cycle of never having money, because all the dollars or everything that you make are going out the window. You're not saving money, you're not thinking about your future, you're not investing in yourself, and your dollars are going to waste because of your bad decisions. And lastly, doing this will leave a life of regret, hold you back from your true potential, not allow you to achieve the goals that you have, both personally, financially, and in your career, and will hold you back from attaining wealth. And that is to not set crazy enough goals for yourself. You have to believe in yourself. If you want to build this financially dream life, if you want to be great with your money, if you want to have multiple businesses or live that life that nobody has or anybody that you know does not have this lifestyle, you have to set crazy goals. Now, it's so easy for people to get into our life or to hear other people saying, just take the simple route, take the easy job, get that easy career, go to college, follow the same path as everyone else. But if you want to be different than anyone else, if you want to have more money than anyone else, which is okay, and if you want to go after and chase the dreams that are on your heart, it takes you to set goals that nobody thinks that you can achieve. With this strategy, you are putting yourself in an abundance mindset. You realize that you have nothing to lose in life. You realize that you want to achieve certain things and that you want to be better than everyone else. The first thing is to create a plan for yourself. If you don't have a plan for yourself, how are you going to be able to achieve that goal? Secondly, it's important to write down those goals. Have a picture. Reflect on these daily. You are 42% likely to achieve these goals if you write them down on paper. Side note. So have a strategy. Don't sell yourself short in life. You have one opportunity to make this happen. Know what you want in life. Know what you are excited about, and know what types of financial goals that you want. Because once you go about life and once you know what you truly want, what you want to plan for, and what your craziest and wildest dreams are, you know that every day you have to wake up with a mission. You have to wake up with a purpose to get to these goals. So do not let bad decisions influence you. Understand what you can do with your money today. Understand what you can do with your current actions, taking care of yourself to get to these goals so you can live that dream life that you've always inspired to have. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not yet left a comment, like this video, or subscribed, it would mean so much for you guys. I hope that everyone is having an amazing start to their 2021. I hope you are getting ready to have the best year ever. I feel it in the air. Continue to build, continue to do things that make you happy, stay creative, and go push to have the best year ever, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. Love you guys. Peace.